Hello everyone, this is Dave Teacher. 구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정 부탁드릴게요. 자, 이제 본격적으로 수업 시작해 봅시다. Plant seeds are what let it reproduce.
Seeds.
Right. Can anybody tell me to reproduce means? That's right. Like a to generate offspring. So everybody, offspring. Offspring means babies or next generation. So reproduce. Flowering plants have flowers and produce seeds in flowers. Very easy. Very obvious. Obvious. Meaning 분명한. 너무나 뻔한. That's obvious. Obvious. Right. And conifers, 침엽수. Remember this? Yes. That's one of them. Like conifers do not have flowers. Instead, 대신에 they produce their seeds in
Cons.
exactly cons. 솔방울. All right, and move on to number 4. Deciduous trees. Deciduous trees have exactly broad leaves that usually change color in the fall, right? Yeah. So leaves turn red, turn orange in the fall, right? Can anybody tell me, you remember the deciduous means not? Yup. Okay. Of course. Deciduous trees have broad leaves like an 화렵. That is right. Broad leaves that usually change color in the fall. And plants make their own food. Plants make their own food. And that is correct 100%. In this process called photosynthesis. I know what it means in Korean. You know? I know you guys know this. What is it? 광합성. Great. And first, when the sun shines on a leaf, then which part of the leaf actually observes sunlight? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll in the chloroplast. Chlorophyll 엽록소 observes bless you. Chlorophyll observes sunlight. And number 7. And now it's what Down kept just a few seconds ago. It's chloroplast. Chloroplast. Exactly. 엽록체. Chloroplast use carbon dioxide, CO2, water and sun's energy to make sugar. Okay? It's like a 당분 for plants. And number 8, photosynthesis happens, yes. And then plant takes in.
Observe.
Takes in what?
Carbon dioxide.
Exactly. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. 이산화탄소. CO2. From the air. So if there are enough plants, enough trees in certain area, does that mean we can breathe hard? We can breathe well? if there's if there's so much so much oxygen in the air, is that okay? Good. All right. Now number one way to classify 분류하다 animals is by whether인지 아닌지로 구분해. 인지 아닌지, whether or not they have backbones. Good. Now down, the ones that have backbones are called?
It's called vertebrate.
Exactly, vertebrate. What about the animals that do not have backbones are called? Yes?
Invertebrate.
Exactly, invertebrate. All mammals, 포, 유류, and birds, reptiles, 파, 충류, fish, and amphibians, 양, 서류, amphibians are all vertebrate. And an animal with or without. Animal without. 없는. Without a backbone is called invertebrate. Okay?
Yeah.
And all vertebrates can be further divided. 나눠진다.
두 가지로 나눈다.
Yes. Be divided into. Be divided into. 나눠진다. Two classes.
Warm-blooded.
Exactly. Warm-blooded animals and cold-blooded animals. 온열, 냉혈. And all animals have basic needs. 욕구 to live and grow. They need food. They need water. They need shelter. Remember? Shelter.
서식지?
That is right. Like a 보금자리 or 서식지. Shelter. They also need protections from their flocks, their herd. Number 6. Like blank runs a machine. All animals need energy to work. Fuel. Hey, Sarah, can you translate the word fuel in Korean? Exactly. So, you know, runs mean 작. That's right. 작동시켜. 기계를 작동시키는 것처럼 모든 동물은 작동하려면 에너지 필요해. A shelter, 보금자리 or 서식지, habitat. Alright, a habitat is a shelter. Yes, keeps 보호해, 지켜줘. Animals safe, keep it safe from the weather and from other animals. Animals also respond. Hey, Eden.
Yeah.
Respond means 모든 동물들은 환경의 변화에 땡땡해 살아남기 위해. Animals also respond means 반응하다 to changes in the environment. 환경에서 생기는 변화에 반응을 해야 해. Why? It has to survive. Number 1 from section C. Plants that have flowers and produce seeds in flowers.
Flowering plants.
Yes, you nailed it. That's right. It's a flowering plant. Flowering plants. Yep, it means 종자식물. 꽃식물 or 종자식물. Nice. And number 2. Trees that have needles, 바늘 or 바늘 같은 잎 and stay green. 계속 초록색 유지해 all year round. Yes, evergreens or conifers,
네? 아 그래요?
conifers,
퍼런스 아니에요?
or no, conifer or evergreen.
두개 다 맞는 거예요.
Both are correct.
맞다.
상록수.
Evergreen trees or conifers. It's 침엽수.
에버그린 상록수 아니에요?
Yes, but 이 설명에 대한 건 똑같은 거지. 답이 똑같은 거죠. So evergreen trees are almost all what? Conifers. Yes. Most conifers are evergreen plants, evergreen trees. And number 3, the process 과정 plants use to make food. 양분을 만들기 위해서 식물이 사용하는 과정. Photosynthesis.
포로신데시스.
Photosynthesis. All right. And number 4, the green substance, everybody, substance.
네, 끝내보셔야죠.
Substance, 물질. Sorry. Substance means 물질, which is in a leaf, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll.
필이었구나.
아 연목치 저거.
왜 뭉치려?
엽록소.
작은 게 여러 가지 엄청나게 많죠.
Chlorophyll. 엽록소. And an animal, it's not pubo.
뭐가요?
It's not pubo. An animal with a backbone, that's vertebrate. What's that mean? That is correct. 척추동물. What about the ones that don't have don't have a backbones? Invertebrate. A place to live? Shelter or
habitat.
yes, habitat.
둘다 적어야 돼요.
Yeah. 서식지. Please down. Say it, everybody. Say it, everybody. Deciduous trees. Deciduous tree. 낙엽수. And pick a number. Pick up the alphabet. It's gotta be H. Reproduce. 생식하다. Or 번식하다. 번식하다. Yeah, 생산 is okay, but 생식하다, 번식하다. That's gotta be I. To make new living things. 새로운 생명체를 만드는 과정. Generate offspring. I told you, offspring. It means 새끼. And taken 흡수하다.
선생님 저 흡수하던데 흡수 다 하로.
흡수하다.
흡수 다.
Don't do that. That's a silly mistake. And pick on the alphabet. That's gotta be B. To observe and give off. 내보내다, 방출하다. It's gotta be C. Release and trait 특성 or 특징. And that particular characteristic quality. That's F. Particular 특정한 characteristic 특징 of quality 자질. Okay? Quality. Trait. Invertebrate. 거봉 is an invertebrate.
Yes, right.
무척추 동물.
호봉이는 서 있잖아요.
Okay.
웃기잖아.
Whatever. And it's got to be E. An animal without a backbone. That's invertebrate. And regulate 조절하다.
To control.
To control. Nice. Stay alive. 살아남다 or 생존하다. It's got to be survive. Yes, it's D. And migrate 이주하다 or 이동하다. And to move seasonally. 계절에 따라. Different part of the world로 움직이는 거야. That's J. Charles. Migratory birds. Hibernate. 동면하다. Sleep during the long winter.
선생님.
Yes.
되나요?
Yeah, 겨울잠 자다. Because 명사 hibernation. Hibernation. That's 겨울잠. Okay? This is to sleep 동사 all the time during the winter. That's G.